before your shoulders up like this and look like you're dancing. You ain't gonna do it now?
Do it for me, Matthew. Come on, I want to put it on Facebook. Do it one more time. You were awesome.
Put it on Facebook?
Yeah, go.
Come on, we got Patty that funky me. Why, boy? No.
All right, I'll just send it to your dad.
My dad will put it on Facebook.
No, he won't. Do it.
I can guarantee you my dad will put it on.
Go for it.
On,
You were
Sing
awesome.
it again. Come on, do it again. Come on, with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. No, not like that. Come on, we go.
With the meat.
With the meat, go. There you go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, don't loosen me.
Woo, get some groove in the booty.
Gotta do it like this.